5 reasons to go long Rivian. In 3, 2, 1. Number 1. In the past 7 days, I've seen 5 Rivians on the road. Number 2. Amazon is bringing Rivians to Europe. According to Amazon, the partnership with Rivian will see the introduction of about 300 electric vans in 3 major German cities in the coming weeks. Amazon is committed to achieving zero carbon emissions by 2040. The e-commerce behemoth has plans to invest more than $1 billion to make its fleet electric in Europe. With the addition of Rivian vans, Amazon aims to build a fleet of 100,000 electric delivery vehicles by 2030. Number 3. In the past 3 months, price has soared nearly 60%. However, after hitting this resistance support band at the $27 level, the $27 level, price has pulled back 15% and has entered a daily buyer's level at $20. What I love about this level as well is that the 200-day moving average is serving as a dynamic support level as well. Look for high volume and a strong candle leaving the zone before placing the buy order. Number 4, the company also had to reverse course on its production volume projections last year. After saying it believed it could make 50,000 EVs in 2022, it slashed that in half due to startup struggles and supply chain issues. But it seems Rivian has righted the ship and has production growing quickly. It now looks like it was conservative in projecting the 50,000 unit goal at the start of 2023. In fact, in its second quarter report, it raised that to let investors know to expect 52,000 vehicles to be made this year. And still, that may be underpromising and hoping to over-deliver. Number 5. Rivian stock is in full focus after George Soros Fund Management filed its Form 13F for the second quarter. If you know anything about George Soros, he's the guy that broke the Bank of England back in the days. Notably, the famed fund manager reported increasing his Rivian stake by 608,000 shares, or by 0.25%. compared to the first quarter. As of June 30th, his Rivian stake of 4.18 million shares accounts for 1% of his 13F portfolio, making it his 26th largest position.
Yeah, I mean, look, this was a nightmare coming out. If you go back to the IPO and a lot of the supply chain issues they've hit. But I believe there's a massive turnaround happening at Rivian. I mean, we're seeing firm demand, production now they got their arms around. And I think this is one where it's much brighter skies ahead, and they could start to comprise ultimately down the road 5, 7, 10% of this market. And I think when you look at where the stock could go, I think it's just the early days of what I view as a massive growth story playing out. I do. Okay. I mean, look, clearly there were speed bumps and black eyes coming out of the gates. But I think this is just a massive underappreciated growth story. I think what RJ and the team have built over at Rivian. And there's massive adoption. You look at firm demand. I mean, you talk to everyone out there around the country, when you're doing your trips. And I think Rivian's one. This is really the start of what I believe, I won't call it the next Tesla, but this is one that could really start to comprise a significant market share that any investors not appreciating.
Maybe it will.
What am I expecting this coming week? I'm expecting price actually to come down a bit more to about that halfway mark in the zone. Hopefully seeing strong volume reverse. And my target is going to be the $27 level, right below this resistance support band. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.